Okay, today we are repairing a dog screen King 2nd generation to see what the problem is. The left and right buttons sometimes work, sometimes don't, sometimes fine, sometimes broken. Let's take a look at the mouse. The small adventurous buttons no longer bounce back, so let's just open it up and see what's going on. Okay, the tape has already been peeled off, so let's first unscrew the bottom case with 6 screws and open it directly. These two shells and the base plate are now separated. Next, remove the button panel part. There are 2 circuits on one side and it only takes a moment to remove them. Okay, the 2 button panels have been taken out. The entire shell is now opened and disassembled. Finally, we found the problem right here at the flex cable where it is broken. It's very thin, and if you are not careful you won't notice. It's this spot. This causes poor contact in the flex cable, making it sometimes unusable. After finishing, we replace the micro switch for the customer. Let's directly replace it. The new flex cable has already been replaced. It is brand new and fully installed. This was the original flex cable which we removed together. Next, let's put it back into the shell. Okay, the mouse is now assembled. Our original is complete with foot pads. Let's listen to the sound after replacing the micro switches. The loose plate issue has been resolved and the click is better, including the side buttons. Help him verify it to extend normal use.